I've spent 17 years turning wrenches on residential heating systems, and before that, I worked as a nuclear power electrician. When homeowners look at replacing an oil boiler, they usually get buried in specification sheets. Today, we're comparing the Bryant BW4 and the Buderus G115WS. On paper, they both heat your home, but once you look past the brochures, there are some important differences. Most homeowners think the biggest question is which boiler is more efficient. In my experience, that's only part of the story. What really matters is what you'll spend owning it over the next 15 or 20 years. The biggest technical difference here comes down to efficiency ratings and heat exchanger construction. The Bryant BW4 is rated at 86.2% FU, while the Buderus G115WS comes in at 87%. So what does that mean? AFU is a little like your car's miles per gallon rating, meaning that more of the heating oil you buy becomes heat inside your home instead of going up the chimney. Both models are non-condensing systems, which means they use traditional venting without needing special plastic piping. That small fraction of a percent difference in efficiency won't change your yearly fuel bill enough for you to actually notice the difference. Where things get interesting is the construction and warranty side. The Bryant BW4 features a 20-year heat exchanger warranty and 5-year electrical parts coverage. The Buderus G115WS matches that 5-year electrical parts warranty, but steps up to a prorated lifetime heat exchanger warranty. Think of the heat exchanger as the heart of the boiler, so a stronger warranty gives you a bit more peace of mind over the long haul. Now, here's where I see homeowners misunderstand things all the time. A longer warranty or a slightly better brand name doesn't mean much if the equipment is slapped together on installation day. A properly installed average boiler will usually outperform a premium boiler that was installed poorly. You also can't ignore annual maintenance with oil-fired equipment. Regular service like burner cleaning, combustion adjustment, and nozzle replacement protects your efficiency and reliability, no matter which badge is stamped on the front. When you look at actual current market pricing, the Bryant BW4 unit runs right around $2,365. The Buderus G115WS unit sells for about $3,003 to $3,318 on the supply house side, before adding your burner kit and installation labor. That puts a clear $600 to $900 hardware price premium on the Buderus. Whether that additional cost is worth it depends on whether you value that lifetime heat exchanger protection over keeping your initial equipment budget tighter. The Bryant BW4 is probably better for homeowners who want a solid, straightforward American-made unit without paying a premium. The Buderus G115WS is probably better for homeowners who plan on staying in their home for a very long time and want that lifetime heat exchanger backing. If it were my house, I'd probably lean toward the Buderus G115WS because I like a heavier cast iron build and that lifetime heat exchanger coverage, even though it costs around $700 more upfront for the box alone. Either way, make sure you spend your time finding a top-notch installer rather than stressing over minor spec sheet differences.